We offer Provia entry doors, which is one of the highest end entry door systems in the United States for a replacement pre-finished door. And what I mean by that is if you go to a Lowe's or Home Depot or something like that, and you walk down the aisle, they have doors that you can choose from, entry doors, steel doors, fiberglass doors, and things like that. And they're primed only, and it's, you pick the door, you pick the hardware, it's maybe drilled out for a door handle, but you have to have it drilled out for a deadbolt, or you buy the kit to drill it out for a deadbolt. Then you have to go buy the hardware, then you have to do all this, and you have to assemble it. And then you have to hope like heck that the size door that you bought from Home Depot, quote unquote standard size, works in your opening on your house. And I will tell you, over the decades, standards have changed. What was standard in 1930 is not standard today, and conversely, it's not necessarily going to work. Or you can have somebody like us come out where our doors are custom built to fit that opening. And then you pick everything. Like we again, this is all done on iPad, so you pick the door design, the door color, the glass design, the glass, if you're getting a decorative glass, what color caming or leading or blah, blah. I mean, there's a myriad. What hardware system do you want? Very simple? Do you want something incredibly elegant? What finish? Do you want bronze or brass or black or stuff like that? Provia, which is the brand that we carry, offers all these. And the benefit for Provia is that it is a very high-end product. And we have minimal problems with it. And if we do have problems, they're a reputable company that will stand behind it. The problem with it is Provia sells several different generations of products. When you get into the details, you, the homeowner, unless the representative takes the time to explain it to you that, hey, I'm getting the high-end fiberglass door, not the entry-level fiberglass door, or you're getting the high-end hardware, not the entry-level hardware, and stuff like that. So there's all kinds of things that you sit down with. And I mean, there's Amtech, there's Schlage, there's just all different kinds of brands of hardware. And I mean, there's all these things that you have to take into consideration. But that's the nice thing. We have a wonderful app on our iPads so that you can go through. And we also have a catalog book that you can look at so you can say, I kind of like this, so how do we build this? And then the rep sits down with you and begins to build the product out, and then you can customize and change the taste. And then the nice thing about it is, and I have to add this little caveat, within reason, we can custom build the door to fit inside most openings. So there are, of course, limitations. If you have something that's exceptionally large or exceptionally small, well, we might have to alter the opening then to accommodate that. But for the most part, we can make the door fit the opening so that you don't have to do any major carpentry work or construction.